Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic hypercars ever made, the Ferrari LaFerrari. If you're a fan of speed, style, and pure Italian engineering, you're going to love this one. Let's jump right in. The LaFerrari makes a bold statement even before you start the engine. From the outside, it's a true masterpiece of aerodynamic design. Every curve, every line, serves a purpose. The low-slung front end, aggressive side skirts, and active aerodynamics not only enhance the car's beauty, but also improve its performance. The butterfly doors add a dramatic flair and give a hint of the beast that lies within. The sharp LED, headlights, and sculpted rear diffuser complete a look that's both futuristic and ferociously fast. Inside, the LaFerrari offers a cockpit that is pure racing inspiration. It's stripped down yet luxurious, focused on performance but still feels premium. The carbon fiber elements dominate the cabin, along with Alcantara and leather detailing. The steering wheel is loaded with F1-style controls. From turn signals to driving modes, everything is at your fingertips. The digital instrument cluster gives you real-time performance data, and the fixed driver's seat with adjustable pedals and steering column ensures the perfect driving position. Now, let's talk performance. And this is where the LaFerrari truly blows everything else away. It's powered by a 6.3-liter V12 engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 950 horsepower. That's right, nearly 1,000 horses under the hood. It can rocket from 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds, with a top speed of over 217 mph. The hybrid system, derived from Ferrari's F1 technology, not only boosts performance, but also improves efficiency, something almost unheard of in a hypercar. The handling is razor sharp, the braking is brutal, and the acceleration is nothing short of breathtaking. As for the price, well, exclusivity comes at a cost. When it was first launched, the LaFerrari had a starting price of around $1.4 million. But today you'll be lucky to find one for less than $3 million on the resale market. Only 499 units were produced, making it not just a car, but a collector's dream. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Ferrari LaFerrari, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exotic car content. See you in the next video.